mountains are standing in my way. Remind me they're in your hands, and you they will obey. Wherever I go, even in the darkness, you keep me in your promise. I don't walk alone. Here I stand, hands lifted high. I speak your name. The darkness hides. There is power when your presence fills this place. Your promises I will proclaim, forever breaking every chain. There is power when your presence fills this place. And even as doubt surrounds my heart, remind me of whose I am. The victory's yours from the start, and wherever I go, even in the darkness, you keep me in your promise. I don't walk alone. Here I stand, hands lifted high. I speak your name. The darkness hides. There is power when your presence fills this place. Your promises I will proclaim, forever breaking every chain. There is power when your presence fills this place. When I don't feel you, when I can't hear you, I will not stop my worship. There will be praise on my lips. Fear may surround me, but darkness won't take me. I will not stop my worship. There will be praise on my lips. When I don't feel you, when I can't hear you, I will not stop my worship. There will be praise on my lips. Fear may surround me, but darkness won't take me. I will not stop my worship. There will be praise on my lips. When I don't feel you, when I can't hear you, I will not stop my worship. There will be praise on my lips. Fear may surround me, but darkness won't take me. And I will not stop my worship. There will be praise on my lips. I speak your name, the darkness hides, there is power when your presence fills this place. Your promises I will proclaim, forever breaking every chain. There is power when your presence fills this place. There is power when your presence fills this place. There is power when your presence fills this place.